deadhead and I need to dry some of them. So come on, follow along while we do this. Okay, so I just got done deadheading them. Some of them we're going to use for the seeds, and some of them I want to hang to dry. I also want to dry my sunflowers, so let's cut those real fast. And do any of you know why my sunflowers are wilting like this? If you do, will you please comment and let me know? Most of them. I'm going to leave a few. Maybe the birds can find them even though they're leaning over. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, the next thing I want to try to do is my Larkspur. Some of it's looking a little haggard, so I'm going to go in and cut some of it off and we're going to try to dry it. Strawflowers. I'm a little behind on deadheading these, see how old that is. But we're going to keep those because we're going to see what seeds are inside of them. think I'll leave a little bit just for aesthetic purposes. And then when I got a really cute idea for the raised beds come fall. So in about 2 or 3 weeks, I'll work on that. Okay guys, so now what I did was I separated the zinnias and the strawflowers and the larkspur. And what I want to do is try to dry some of them. So I want to take my strawflowers that look pretty and try to dry these. And then the ones that look like this, they're a little bit fuzzy, I want to try to get the seeds out of those. So let's start with the pretty ones. And I'm going to take the leaves off. I don't think you have to. I don't think it matters. It might be a moisture thing for when they're drying, but I'm just going to take some of the leaves off. Okay, so I got a little grouping of the red, and I'm just going to take, I think I'll take my clippers and clip it off at an even spot. And then rubber band them. That's cute. So there's the strawflowers. And then I'll do the lighter ones. Take some of these leaves off. And I just like to grab at the top and sort of pull your way down. They don't all have to be off, but we'll get most of them off. I think I want to do a couple bundles of the white. So I'll clip these off. Take my little rubber band. There's that one. This is going to be a baby one. Have any of you guys ever harvested strawflower seeds? Let me know, because this is my first time doing it. So, okay. And then I did look up if you can dry zinnias. They say you can. So we're going to try it. Just going to remove the leaves again. They come off really easily. I'll try to do 2 bunches of the zinnias. I think I'll get 3 little bundles out of the zinnias, and we'll cut them again just to make them look pretty. You got it. Okay, so we got 3 bundles of zinnias, and they're adorable. And now I want to do the Larkspur. And I'm going to take all the little greenery off this as well. We don't have to get it all off, but most of it. And you can leave the greenery on. I've seen them dried with the greenery on there. As a matter of fact, I might leave a little bit on a few of them. And I think I'll do a couple bundles of these. Look how cute that's gonna be. Wow, I love this. Why don't I do this more often? So pretty. Oh, do you guys hear the bells in the background? We live right downtown, and so it's a noisy area. So I do have mics, but they did not hook up to our phone, so we're working on that. But you'll be hearing trains, planes, and automobiles. But you know, we'll do our best to make sure you can hear me okay. Okay, the next step I'm gonna do, and I've never done this, but these are the Strawflowers that I'm gonna try to get seeds from. And I made these little envelopes. And all I'm gonna do is just over the envelope, I'm just gonna kind of like see what's in here, because I've never done this before, so we're just gonna see. Look at all those seeds. Oh my goodness. I will have to buy Strawflowers next year. So we're just gonna shake them down in here. And maybe later I'll go in and try to clean them out a little better, but I might just clean them just like this, you know. I don't know if there's a way you can sift it, but there you go. All those seeds down in there. That one looks really dry. It's actually really peaceful to hear the bells, and then the courthouse, I believe it's the courthouse, they'll play music sometimes, and it's so funny because sometimes they'll play Christmas music in the summer, and it's really funny, and I love it. Okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep that bag open for a little bit until these kind of dry out, and then I'm gonna try to like pull some of this furry stuff out. But if you can see, the seeds are kind of hooked to the furry stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of let that dry out for a little bit. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with my zinnias. I think some of them are ready to get seeds from them, and I think some of them might need to dry out a little bit more, but we'll see. These might not be ready. Okay, so these are not ready, and I can show you why. See that? That's gonna be the seed. But see how green it is? We need to let those dry out a little bit more. I'm gonna try to find one. Now this one possibly could be ready. Almost, yes. Okay, so see this little seed right there? That's gonna be a flower next year. That's exciting. Okay. This one looks really dry. I'm gonna let these dry out a little further. I'm afraid that they're not ready. So we're gonna wait on these, and I'll do those later. And we'll have some Zinnia seeds. Okay, so, and then here's what I did with the sunflowers. I wanna use these sunflowers in my fall decor. I've seen them at like little fairgrounds or like festivals, and they sell them for like $5 and $10. So I'm just gonna use my own. And all I did was I went on the back, and I'm just gonna clip that off. Then I'm gonna remove any of the leaves. And look how beautiful these will be once they dry. Now these will fall off because they're just the petals, but look how pretty this is gonna look on a fall display. Okay guys, well I think that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Once I do my next project, I'm gonna show you how to hang these on a drying rack. So stay tuned. All right guys, well thank you so much for hanging with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this and maybe learned something new. This is kind of a part 1 to a sunroom makeover. So we're gonna go inside tomorrow, and I would love for you guys to come and see how I make a drying rack to hang these beautiful flowers on. Don't forget, go find your passion today.